Hey there, business owners. Did you know that one unexpected disaster could set your business back months or even years? What if a pipe burst in your store? Or worse, what if a fire damages your building, forcing you to close down for weeks? What would you do? How would you recover? That's where commercial property insurance comes in. Whether you run a small shop, an e-commerce store, or a restaurant, having the right insurance can protect your business from the unexpected. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get commercial property insurance in the United States. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do and what coverage to look for to safeguard your business. Step 1. What is commercial property insurance? Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is commercial property insurance? Commercial property insurance is a type of coverage that helps protect the physical assets of your business, like your building, inventory, equipment, and furniture. It's your financial safety net if something like fire, water damage, windstorms, or vandalism occurs. Think of it this way: if you flipped your office or store upside down, anything that would fall out, from computers to inventory, is probably covered under commercial property insurance. Step 2. Who needs commercial property insurance? Now, you might be wondering, do I really need this? Well, commercial property insurance is essential if your business has any physical assets, things like equipment, inventory, or a brick-and-mortar location. Whether you own or lease a space, this insurance is critical for businesses like retail shops, restaurants, e-commerce businesses with stockrooms, and more. Even if you work from home and have equipment or inventory stored there, you might still need coverage. Step 3. How to get commercial property insurance. Alright, now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. How do you actually get commercial property insurance? There are a few key steps, so grab a pen and take some notes. Assess your business needs. Step 1 is to assess your business needs. What do you need to insure? Make a list of your physical assets. This includes your building, equipment, inventory, furniture, anything that's critical to your day-to-day operations. Knowing the value of these items will help you choose the right coverage. Do you need coverage for just a few $1,000s worth of equipment or millions of dollars of inventory? Be sure to get an accurate estimate. Compare insurance providers. There are a lot of insurance companies out there, and you'll want to compare their offerings. Look for providers who specialize in commercial property insurance and understand the unique risks your business might face. Luckily, you can get quotes online from multiple providers in minutes. Don't forget to check reviews, read customer testimonials, and most importantly, make sure the provider is licensed in your state. Customize your coverage. Now, let's talk about customizing your policy. A good insurance provider will help you tailor coverage to fit your business needs. This could include coverage for inventory, business interruption, equipment breakdowns, and even structural damage if you own the building. For example, if you run a retail store, you might want higher coverage for inventory, but if you're in the restaurant business, equipment breakdown coverage could be a top priority. Understand the costs. So, how much does commercial property insurance cost? On average, it can start as low as $17 a month for low-risk businesses. But here's the thing, your actual cost depends on factors like the value of your business property, where you're located, and your claims history. Keep in mind, if your business is in a high-risk area, such as a place prone to wildfires or hurricanes, your premiums might be higher. But customizing your policy can help you control the cost. Purchase your policy. Once you've found the right provider and the perfect coverage, it's time to purchase your policy. Most companies will let you complete the process online in just a few minutes. You'll need to provide details about your business, the value of your assets, and any other required information. Step 4. Filing a claim. So, what happens if disaster strikes and you need to file a claim? Filing a commercial property insurance claim is usually straightforward. Document the damage. First, document the damage. Take photos and make notes about what happened and when. The more details you can provide, the smoother the claims process will be. File your claim. Next, file your claim either online or through your insurance company's app. Most providers aim to process claims quickly, with some like Next aiming for decisions within 48 hours. Work with a claims specialist. Once you've submitted your claim, a claims specialist will reach out to guide you through the next steps, such as inspections or additional paperwork. Your goal? To get back to business as soon as possible. Let's recap. To get commercial property insurance, assess your business needs, compare providers, customize your coverage, understand the costs, and then purchase the policy that's right for you. And if disaster strikes, filing a claim is a simple process as long as you have the right information ready. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.